everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have ventured back into Knott's Berry Farm for some food and fun, that's right. And did you know they're gonna possibly open up a new eatery? What? That's right, more updates to come. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to have some amazing fun here at Knott's Berry Farm. Let's go! Normally, I'll actually be coming to the parks early in the morning, grab some grub, and then just talk about history or the updates happening, or all the happenings in the park. But I actually wanted to stay home today as long as I could to actually get a Disneyland After Dark event. So I did get our tickets. I secured our tickets for the Disneyland After Dark Villains Night. Now, I didn't actually get the Star Wars night. It gets a little pricey, but I will be there. I'm hoping to be there on May the 4th, so we can definitely have a Star Wars day. But that's why I actually came to the park a little bit later, but it actually came upon something. Is the park actually busy after 11 or 12? Well, it's not. It really isn't. During the week, it's starting to go back to normal, where the park is pretty much empty. I love it. This is actually pretty fun. We get the whole park to ourselves. Yeah. Woo! But I definitely saw some updates right over at the Charles near Cordy's Corners. So definitely let's go check that out. Right over here, right next to the Berry Tales and the Wheeler Dealer. Now they do have these giant sized walls up. Now there is gonna be a brand new eatery here soon over in summer of 2022. So there is gonna be a brand new eatery here. It used to be Hollywood Hits, but it definitely looks like it's gonna be a Coca-Cola pizza cafe. So that is actually pretty fast as well too. They're actually gonna get this set up. So it looks like at the most part when you were here prior, you were able to get in, have a seat, and then go to Hollywood Hits. But by the looks of that picture, they're actually moving the Hollywood Hits. The building in general is gonna be pushed further up, right next to the street here. So you're gonna get a bigger restaurant as well too. But it's a giant. It looks like a giant-sized Coca-Cola sign. That is gonna be pretty interesting to definitely see. Actually, it's pretty cool. I still love those signs. Those signs are actually perfectly aligned to this entire area. But again, right next door to the factory store, they actually are closing it up for renovations. Now, what they're gonna put there, we don't know. Now, are they just gonna renovate it, make sure it's nice and rebuilt, or they're gonna make it nice and clean? We just don't know for sure yet. But the entire line where the Wheeler and Dealer on the right side is blocked off. Dude, so I stopped by the Wilderness Broiler to definitely, because they actually released this limited time item, which is the Jambalaya with Naan Bread. And man, let me tell you, when they serve you this is a lot, man. This is like a whole meal in general. Like, if you guys do want to get the dining plan, this is part of the season and all-day dining plan as well too. So if you guys want to definitely come on out, it's on here until from January 10th to January 23rd. So get it while the getting's good. But this looks so crazy. Oh man, there's a lot here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wow. You know, I've said this from the last video of the of the barbecue burger basket being the go-to item. Nope. This is gonna be now it has a little spice to it. Not as much, like a little kick to it, but a little spice to it. But this is so delicious. Oh my gosh. So definitely make sure you guys come on out and well, this naan bread's really good. Wow, this is delicious. Really, dude, they serve you a lot. So what I was gonna let you guys know is during my other video, a lot of these items on the dining plan, you can actually serve with 2 people. So I might actually bring in my buddy of mine to actually help me out with some of this food, because we want to definitely try as much as we can in one day. But man, this is so good. And trust me, you don't want to wait until January 24th to decide to actually get this. You want to get this now. per my usual, I got myself an awesome beverage. So again, look at this. I come out here. I already purchased a dining plan. I come out here and I'll just get this free, kind of free in a sense. And then I'll just come and get this. So I don't have to worry about paying for anything. I just come on over and get myself my own little Knott's Berry Punch and then my jambalaya. So wow, there you go. Oh man, ever get actually really full and you want to be right next to some pretty young ladies? Well, I'm doing that today. Oh man, I'm sitting right next to these beautiful ladies, right next to the saloon as well too. Now I didn't gather myself a sarsaparilla, but I did eat myself some jambalaya, and man, I am really full, man. That food was so delicious. All right, they keep looking at me weird. I should leave. The one thing I actually want to say is it's right there. So that is the Galloping Goose. Now, normally at the most part, you'll definitely see the Rio Grande actually going right through. But when the park is actually, oh yeah, there you go. So when the park is actually not as busy, they actually bring out the Galloping Goose. So if you definitely want to check that out, there you go. There she goes. Oh man, that is so cool. Now I was actually walking through the park, and it's actually really nice to see all of my local fans. Some people who are huge fans of my show. They were actually they're workers here. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel, enjoying it, and then again just having fun with it. So yeah, especially what I was talking about right there. Look at that. The log ride is not going right now. I didn't actually see it now. Yesterday, a couple days ago when I was here, it was kind of weird that they were actually having like a dry fall. But it looks like right now it's actually not in operation. Really weird, but it's okay. I mean, at the most part, because of the emptiness in the park, we have the Galloping Goose, and then some of the rides aren't actually in operation. But if you actually look right over there, that is Supreme Scream right there. Now, Supreme Scream is down right now. I believe it's down. It was down about a couple days ago for refurbishment, so it is going down. But there's also one ride that Knott's Berry Farm actually said, you know what? This is so popular. Everybody still wants to ride the Montezuma's Revenge. So let's definitely go check out to see if Montezuma's Revenge is open for the last day today. While I'm right here, really quick, if you actually go to the stage right where Fiesta Village actually is, I didn't actually mention this, they actually are doing a silent type of party here. Yeah, it's actually pretty crazy. You put on some headphones. I did see parties like that before where you can put on some headphones and kind of listen to the same music, but that's what they're going to have here during the Peanut celebration. So that is something to actually come check out. Ever wanted to know, what happens when enough people actually start recording and start missing Montezuma's Revenge? Well, Knott's Berry Farm literally just posted, you know what? January 10th is not enough. How about we bring it back? Yeah, it's back, I believe, for one day only. So, yeah, that is so awesome. Man, a lot of people have been have been missing this ride since it actually closed up yesterday, and then now it's reopened back up. Oh, this is actually pretty funny. Now I was just talking to someone. I go, man, see, this is what happens when you get everybody else taking fun pictures, posting about it. You get it back. Guys, it's the local sheriff. I'm just kidding.
You find the sheriff in there playing cards, but don't tell him you saw me.
Mom's the word.
I'm trying to bust out my friend here.
Oh. Here I thought, I overwhelmed you guys with a lot of updates on my last video, but man, there's updates almost every day here. Oh man, I'm having such a phenomenal time. Man, there is so much here, guys, to actually check out. Now it does feel like it's almost like Ghost Town alive. They definitely have like the bandits that are coming around here, the deputy sheriffs. They have the sheriffs here. Man, it is so amazing. Now, see, I was actually talking about the Ghost Town Alive on how amazing it actually is, but we're definitely getting it prior to the summer night, so that I love 100%. So right behind me, right over there at the Snoopy's camp store, they actually do have a couple of things. Now was trying to see if they did have any Peanuts Gang merchandise or Peanuts Celebration merchandise. They don't have it just about yet, but they do have a couple of plushies. It actually looks so cute. Now, it was way back in the day where Charles Schultz and NASA had this agreement. But yeah, they do have it where they have the two different plushies, one being like the Snoopy one, which looks so cute. They had two different ones, and I love that. That looks so awesome. You can actually give it to your little one or your significant other. But another one as well too was that very fluffy Snoopy. Now, back before I thought, you know what, I wasn't gonna see Snoopy, so I ended up finding him over at the store. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure right over here at Knott's Berry Farm. We definitely saw what will be a brand new eatery right over by near Cordy's Corner where the Hollywood Hits used to be at. And we also got to try out the Jambalaya, the brand new item from Wilderness Broiler. And man, that was so delicious. 100% you guys need to definitely come out and check that out. Man, I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it an awesome little like there. If you guys like the content I bring to you guys all the time, which I'm definitely going to bring you guys as much content and as much from the dining plan on my channel. So make sure you guys subscribe right now, and always share my videos with your family and friends. Now, if you would love to actually support the channel, I'm gonna link those up down below in the description, so definitely check out all those amazing links. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.